Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our geography research project. I am Aubrey Kutsia.
I'm Kronia Stein.
I'm Renette Kukenhoek.
And I'm Johan Steenkamp.
Our article explains the classification of wetlands in terms of anthropogenic inputs for Mpumalanga. Wetlands can be defined as land which is transitional between terrestrial and aquatic systems, where water is at or near the surface. This means that the land is covered.
Our study area of wetlands is conducted in the province of Mpumalanga, South Africa. The southwest corner of Mpumalanga is where the highest concentration of wetlands were found. Wetlands are altered in a quantitative and or qualitative manner. If one of these alterations occur, it could lead to environmental impact risks.
Our goal was to find and determine which wetlands had a greater threat to being impacted by these anthropogenic activities.
Based on each activity's level of potential to alter a wetland, for instance through pollution, a value between 1 and 7 were given. Mining ranked the most severe at 7, whereas roads were considered least likely to alter the wetland, with a Y value of 1.
First, we entered the wetland name. Then we filled in the Y value. Then the frequency of the activity's occurrence were analyzed. Take Witbank wetland for example. It has agriculture, in other words, a Y value of 4, occurring twice within 5 meters of the buffer.
Then we calculated the X value, which is the Y value multiplied by the A value.
Then the X value were multiplied with the proximity value. Each activity's impact was then quantified. Finally, all the activities' impacts were added up to provide a final value for each wetland. A transparent distinction was made. Some wetlands were clearly more threatened by anthropogenic activities than others.
Aisha wetland had the third highest threat due to mining, amongst other things, that occurred within 5 meters of the wetland. On the contrary, Westow wetland scored relatively low due to low densities of activities that are not occurring close to the wetland.
With a few alterations, imagine the future applications of this research for the further protection of wetlands.